បាទគ្រប់ជំរាបសួរពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនអរគ្នាបាទការប្រកួត Snooker Champion of Champion បាទ Ronnie O'Sullivan and Ding Choi បាទតលាក់ពី Ronnie បាទអត់អីទេបងប្អូនបាទ Ding Choi កេងកូនមួយសិនមកយ៉ាងណាដែរកន្លែងនេះ Ronnie បាទអត់មានចន្លោះទេបាទកេងដែរបាទ3 frame ស្មើគ្នាបាទស្បិតមែនតែនពី Ding អត់បានសម្រេចទេបាទយ៉ាងណា Ronnie បាទអត់មើលប្រឡោះបងប្អូនបាទកេងមួយប៊ីសធ្លាក់លោមិនជាបញ្ហាបាទកន្លែងនេះបន្តពី Ding បាទខោកមួយកន្លែងនេះល្អមែនតើបាទចិត្តពី Ronnie បាទស្អាតណាស់បងប្អូនបាទកូនទៀតទៅឆ្ងាយតិចហើយបាទស្វីសទម្លាក់បន្តទៀតបាទឡើងមកល្មមតែម្ដងបាទកាសក្នុងការនាំមុខពី Ronnie បាទមិនបងអង្គទេបាទបន្ទុក14ហើយបាទ15បន្ទុកចិត្តបានល្អមែនទេឡើយនេះបាទ Ronnie បាទកន្លែងនេះល្អមែនទេបងប្អូនបន្ទុក30ហើយបាទចេញស្វីសងាយងាយបាទអត់ពិបាកទេបាទជ្រែកកូនកន្លែងនេះបាទ39បន្ទុកបាទឡើងកូនចោះឡើងល្អមែនទេបន្ទុកចាប់ផ្ដើមដាច់ឆ្ងាយហើយ
Once again,
បាទ
just
ចិត្តបានបន្តទៀត
slowly
bad
enough
day.
so the cue ball couldn't go astray in behind anything.
55.
បាទស្អាតតែម្ដងបងប្អូន
Well, he got right back into the match, but he's given Ronnie one chance. I guess he hoped Ronnie would have been on the back
បាទ
foot.
ទ
a little
ម្លាក់
bit, but
ងាយ
there's no
ងាយ
sign of
កន្លែង
that
នេះ
here. Ronnie's won 5 times at the Crucible, 5 times champion of the world. His durability should never be put in question, but sometimes we do a little.
បាទចាក់មួយហើបល្អមែនទេ
Frame ball coming.
68. 69.
Well, the question you asked, Neil, was whether O'Sullivan's fluency would still be intact after being
បាទ76ពិន្ទុអី
kept cold.
The answer is yes, clearly. But as I mentioned, all those world
បាទ
titles,
ស្អាតហើយបងប្អូន
all of that stuff, it's not always going to be easy. He was had to overcome a few bad days at the office.
បាទសវិចទាញកន្លែងនេះអត់អីទេ
82.
It's been a lovely break. The standard of play since the mid-session interval has gone up a notch.
បាទ83ពិន្ទុ
91.
បាទងាយលឿនពីរូនី
99.
បាទ98ពិន្ទុអី
O'Sullivan's 759
នេះណាកន្លែងនេះ
in tournament play.
បាទអត់ចូលទេបាទបើមិនជាបញ្ហាបើពិន្ទុដាច់ឆ្ងាយដែរ
Lead. He's 4-3 up.
Didn't wait to break.
បាទ4ទល់នឹង3 frame
Which Ding won was a thing of bits and pieces.
បាទសវិចចេញពី ding
Took 27 minutes, and O'Sullivan made quite a few mistakes.
បាទស្មើគ្នាល្អមែនទេ
Miss Century played all that well since the mid-session.
អ៊ីទឹកមួយយកកម្លាំងបាទកែស្នុកពីរូនីអត់បញ្ហា
Well, I think it's a mistake. Well, he knows.
ដូចជាសល់សម្រាប់ ding មកហើយ
Now he's never been in front in the match. Ding first in frame 9 here.
ចាក់មួយកន្លែងនេះបាទល្អមែនទេ
Effectively a best final.
បាទបិទមួយខកខានបាត់ហើយបាទ
He
ding
was down on the shot for a thing. Actually
សោ
on
ក
the
ស្
shot
ដាយមែន
itself.
ទេ
Trying to
មិន
make
សម
extra
ផ្លាត់
sure,
ទេបាទ ding
but ended up missing it.
បាទកាលល្អពីរូនី
And when he could get the cue ball in that little gap, and where the pink is. Oh yes.
បាទចាក់មួយបាច់លោ
Split
ខ្សាយ
without
តែម្ដ
shame.
ង
They have something to left middle, not much though, nothing else.
6.
បាទពិន្ទុ6ទល់នឹង1
And if that goes, he's going to do nothing.
ពុកមួយចន្លោះ
Just a
Nah,
trace
hard
left
aid there,
outside of
Mongo.
that shot. Made easy because the cue
ទ
ball
ម្លាក់មកស្អាតតែ
didn't
ម្ដ
have
ង
to move.
បន្តទៀតរូនីបាទស្ទើរតិចហើយកន្លែងនេះ
Mishit it
How quickly he knew. He hit it. Little sigh.
through lack of touch.
មកយ៉ាងណា
Really
បន្ត
good
ទៀត
his positional shot there.
បាទច្បាស់លោមែនទេរូនី
Excellent rescue pot.
But it
Bah,
was a
mình
very
chia
short
បញ្ហា
answer there.
បាទចិត្តទម្លាក់កន្លែងនេះបានមកស្អាតតែម្ដង
Just feel big moments in the match. If Ronnie could make a few here, confidence would come back almost immediately. But if he
21.
broke
បាទ
down,
សវិចញែកកូនកន្លែងនេះ
fancying the job. At the moment, he's just getting his sharpness back, shot by shot here.
អត់អីទេបងប្អូនបាទ
29.
បាទបន្ទុក29 ទៅនឹង 1 បើយ៉ាងណាស្អិតកូនឬក៏អ
It's
ត់
all right.
36. Touching ball.
This is going to be difficult.
បាទចិត្តបានបន្តទៀតកន្លែងនេះ
7.
បាទច្រាលដល់លើតែម្ដង
Couple of inches further on that.
បាទសវិសទូងមួយ
As often can happen on that
បាទ
shot.
បន្ទុក
it's nice
42
and
ហី
close to the side cushion. So, these very fast tables cannot.
បាទស្អាតណាស់បងប្អូនអត់ទឹះទេកលឹងឆ្វេងកលឹងស្ដាំ
Position a couple of times. If he gets this right, then surely he'll go on to clinch the frame.
បាទទម្លាក់បានងាយងាយកន្លែងនេះ
The blue to the corner. Very much onto the middle.
49.
បាទស្អាតណាស់បងប្អូនបាទចាក់ផឹងសវិសធ្លាយដល់ក្រោយតែម្ដង
Now this time I think he's just retrieved everything perfectly back in position. He's a marvellous player, isn't he? I mean, we know that he can make the
បាទបន្ទុក
faultless
53
breaks of the 147 do difficult shots, but even now, this break, there's been about 6 or 7 times he's been struggling just out of position, but he just kept going.
បើយ៉ាងណាបន្ទុកដាច់ឆ្ងាយដែរ
60.
បាទចាក់មួយចង់ហោះកូន
68.
បាទទម្លាក់បន្តទៀត
So Ding's failure
បាទល្អណាស់បងប្អូន
facing
វីរ៉ូ
Blackford's
នេះ
spot when he had for has proved fatal. O'Sullivan has in clinching this frame
ចាក់អង្កែបមួយគឺអត់បញ្ហាទេ
and is now within reach of his second century.
បាទកាសកាន់តែកក់ក្ដៅហី
80. 84.
ទម្លាក់មកក្ដុកល្អមែនតើបាទចិត្តបានបន្តទៀតបាទ
91.
បាទអត់ទេបាទកន្លែងនេះ
760th century will have to
បើ
wait.
យ៉ាងណានាំមុខមួយ frame មុនហើយ Ronnie O'Sullivan
.91 restores his advantage. He leads Ding
Bah, coi
Junhui
thì sao?
by 5 frames to 4. 1 up with 2 to play.
បាទ5ទល់នឹង4 frame បាទចេញពីសវិសពី Ronnie O'Sullivan
Didn't hit the end red so thick that time, so it didn't come
គេ
down.
មក
past
ឆ្ងាយ
the
កន្លែងនេះ បាទតែក៏ដេញមកគេមកដល់ក្រោយតែម្ដង
That was a slightly weak safety shot there from Ding. He's probably still thinking about the black off the spot in the previous frame. He's
Bah,
had a break of
5 ទៅនឹង 4
91,
frame
just when he could have got to the front for the first time. Didn't happen.
បាទកន្លែងនេះបាទស្អាតមែនតើ
Set to
Ronnie
the side of the pocket, so the cue ball didn't move as far as he would have wanted up the table.
កាប់បន្តទៀតពីរូនីបាទចិត្តលាក់បាន
O'Sullivan first term professional.
ស្អាតមែនទែន
Brilliant player then, and the amount of those blues he took in to recover breaks
6
was
ពិន្ទុឯង
untrue.
Seven.
Oh, that's another
សវិស
beauty.
បានមកអេមបងប្អូន
Made it look so simple, that two cushion. And he's got a sniff of the winning line here, Clive, hasn't he?
ពេញដោយទំនុកចិត្តតែម្ដង
And
50.
he's usually pretty good
បន្ទុក
closing
15
out
ឯងបងប្អូន
match-winning chances.
បាទចិត្តទៅលាក់កន្លែងនេះអត់
Not
បញ្ហា
suffer
ទេ
from clincher's disease.
22.
Maybe like the rest of us.
23.
បាទការផ្ដាច់ពីរូនី
Too many. And seeing the chance
អាច
to win
ផ្ដាច់
matches,
បានឬយ៉ាងណា
Clive describes. Only the very great players seem to have no
បាទ
problems
បន្ត
getting
ទៀត
31.
បាទចាក់បំបាយល្អមែនទែន
Not easy to carry the break on after this shot. Can't go up the table. There's a hope for Ding.
បាទការបន្ទុកកាន់តែដាច់ឆ្ងាយឯង
He's only got the natural potting angle to help him positionally.
មិនជាបញ្ហាទេ
Ball
សម្រាប់រូ
striking,
នី
but the next shot again is difficult.
38.
He might think that he can screw
បាទ
this
កន្លែង
really
នេះពិបាកតិចឯង
right pocket if he gets back pumps the shot to nothing.
បាទចាក់បានល្អទៀតបងប្អូនហើយបាទស្វីសរៀងស្ទើរតិចបាទ
Or
បាទយ៉ាងណាដែរកូនខ្មៅ
Goodness me.
បាទចិត្តទៅលាក់ល្អមែនទែនបាទស្អាតតែម្ដង
He's hanging over the hole.
បាទបន្ទុក46ឯងកន្លែងនេះ
Wow,
បាទ
this is
ចាក់
just
ស្វីស
brilliant.
មួយបានល្អទៀតបង
Absolutely
ប្អូន
brilliant.
អត់បញ្ហាទេបាទទាញដល់លើតែម្ដងកន្លែងនេះបងប្អូន
Yes, I think when you have to play that slower, the
បាទ
swing
54បន្ទុក
taken out of it. It's
Wow.
another good one, though.
ច្បាស់លោតែម្ដងពីរូនី
Cue ball just drifting on
បាទ
a
អត់
bit.
សំចាយយូរទេ
If he wanted to go into the bunch of six, he could. But depends how he sees the shot here. He has played the shot.
បាទតលាក់មួយទៀតកន្លែងនេះ
Such a brilliant break, Clive.
But
So
a
many
more
options
than Madong.
here.
59.
we're in the presence of G.
60.
បាទបន្ទុក60ហើយបាទសម្លឹងមើលចន្លោះ
He's almost
បាទ
there.
អត់ពិបាកទេរូនី
Wants a red and a colour,
បា
any
ទកន្លឹង
colour.
បន្តទៀត
67.
That's not quite
បាទដាច់ឆ្ងាយមែនទែនហើយបងប្អូ
as
ន
it could have been. Absolutely brilliant this break. One of the best I've seen for a long time.
បាទឌីងជួយ
There were 2 or 3 times when he set off, but he never did. Superb. Simply superb.
បាទត្រង់នេះពីចម្ងាយល្អមែនទែន
Ronnie O'Sullivan is going to be in tomorrow's final. He led 3-1. Ding made breaks of 88 and
ទឹក
111.
ដៃល្អមែនទែនរូនី
Otherwise at 3-all. O'Sullivan went in front again.
81.
The century, 105. Won a scrappy frame for 4-all.
បាទស្វីសចេញច្បាស់មួយ
Missed a basic
មិន
black
មែន
from
ជា
its
បញ្ហា
spot.
ទេ
The outset of the 9th frame.
89.
O'Sullivan made 91 from that. And now he's clinched
បាទ
victory.
ឡើងកូនដល់លើតែម្ដងឡើយនេះ
97.
អូនខ្មៅកន្លែងនេះបាទដល់គូតែម្ដង
I think it's been a break just fueled on pure adrenaline when he needs to be won. He had a horrible kick halfway
Lên
through.
đôi
But he
lúc
managed
chật
to
cái
stop
rồi
him.
nhỉ?
He rolled a black to the middle pocket. That man has got no chance. He's got no say in the matter. This has been a superb conclusion break.
អត់តបកូនទេស៊ីខ្ទេចអស់ហើយបងប្អូន
His dominance of Ding continues. It's out of 12 in their personal head-to-head. It looked in doubt,
បាទច្បាស់តែម្ដងបងប្អូន
but O'Sullivan has finished in wonderful fashion with breaks of
ខោកញែកកន្លែងនេះល្អទៀត
and this effort.
បាទអត់មួយមិនជាបញ្ហា Ronnie O'Sullivan
Ronnie O'Sullivan
បាទទទួលបានជាជំនះទៅលើ Lim Choi
and advances to tomorrow's final.